Hello guys, welcome to yet another exciting video, and today I'll be showing you how to connect PHP with MySQL using the Xampp control panel. So I'm assuming that you have the Xampp software on your machine. So for mine is this one here, over here. So make sure all the services are started. So I will start Apache and I will start MySQL. By doing that, now we can go straight to the code. Now you can open a folder. For me, I will use the htdocs one, which comes with them. So I will come and open folder, then local disk C, then Xampp, then I will search for htdocs over here. Then over here I will open this folder. So select the folder. Now I've opened my project over here. So I will create a PHP file. I will call it con.php. So this is where we'll be writing our code. Now let me add con.php, just like that. So with that, this is where we'll be writing our connection code to MySQL. Now I'm hoping you have the necessary extension for VS Code with dealing with PHP, because it will save you time when writing code. So over here, extension, make sure you have this extension, this PHP interface over here. Then when you have that, you're good to go. Now inside this file, I will write the PHP tags. So PHP, then just like that, you close the PHP tag there, just like that. Now over here is where we'll be writing our connection code. But before we write our connection code, we must have a database first. So I will go to my browser. Then I will write localhost. You type localhost, just like that. Then over here you see phpMyAdmin. You click on that. Now after it has opened, you can create a database over here. So what you will do over here, the database is tab. You click on there, then you write your database name. For example, you call mine something like school. You can call your database anything, it doesn't matter. So after you choose a suitable name, then you create it. So I've created this school over here. So this is the database we'll be trying to connect from our PHP code. A point to note that there are two ways to connecting to MySQL. There is the object-oriented way, whereby you use objects and classes, and there is the procedural way. The one that I will be showing you is the procedural approach. So type with me. So I like the $sign for declaring a variable, then db hosts. We call it db hosts. Then I give it localhost, because we'll be running on our local machine. So localhost, just like that. Then don't forget the semicolon to terminate the statement. Then the other one I will write, for example, the database name. So db name is equals to, we have named our school. So you write the name that you have named your database. So mine is school. Then another variable, I will call it db user, just like that. Then over here, now when you installed Xampp, the default one is root. That is if you hadn't changed anything, but if you installed Xampp, the default user is called the root. Now that's the user, then the password of the database. So password, db password, just like that. So I initialize it to an empty string because I hadn't set any password. But if you had set any password before this, you should write your password here. But by default, when you install Xampp, it comes with no password. So I will write an empty string to indicate that I don't have a password. So over here now, this is where the connection code comes through. So I will declare a variable called con, just like that, or you can name it connection, it's up to you. Then is equals to MySQLi. So MySQLi is for MySQL, MySQL improved. So there is the MySQLi connect function over here. So when you call this function, it accepts several arguments. One of the arguments is the hosts, the DB hosts, just like that. The second one is the user, the DB user. Second one is the user, and then the third one is the password that we set. So the password is stored in a variable called DB password, just like that. And then the other argument is the database name. So DB name, which is school. So this variable are referencing the ones that we have declared over here. Now with that, you have made a connection, but something could go wrong. For example, it could refuse to connect, or something can go wrong when trying to connect. So you can try to catch errors by writing an if statement over here. You can say if MySQLi connect error, sorry, MySQLi connect error, over here error is truthy. Now we should execute a statement. So I can write here echo, I can echo oops, you can write a custom message, oops, database did not connect, just like that. And then don't forget to terminate with a semicolon over here. Then this will execute when the database will refuse, when the connection will fail. So this if statement will be executed if there is a connection error. Else, so we can write else, just like that. Else we can echo database connected successfully, just like that. Then semicolon over here. So with that, you have connected to your database. So to test if it's working, so open your browser, then go to localhost, then slash the name of the file. So con, I called mine con.php, just like that. So as you can see, my database has connected successfully. So I've connected with MySQL. So that was quite simple. That's the process. Nothing more, nothing less. So if the video helped you, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And let me know if you have any question in the comment section.